Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your preferences in the Shein app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, and you won't want to miss that. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open the Shein app. Here it usually opens up in the shop menu, but we have to go into the me menu. So let's tap on that. Here in the top right corner, there's a little gear. We tap on that and we access settings. And here at the top of the list, there's your account and your account name. We have to tap on this. And here in the middle, there's preferences, or preference to be more exact. We tap on this, and from this list, we can select our favorite categories or our purchase preferences, like the age group we buy clothes for, and the styles, thereby making a more customized experience on the app. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.